Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So I'm out doing some testing. So Sunday at the list race, John was having some problems with his car. This is my son's, this is a spare body now. But he was having some problems with his car. And I don't like to see people have problems. If I can help, I'ma definitely help. So I'm out here tuning his car. Hopefully everything is right now. So before I give it back to him, I just want to do a video and show him that it's ready to go now. So I'm gonna do some testing. He likes Hoosiers. Unfortunately, I know the Hoosiers balloon a lot. So we're gonna see what they do anyway. So y'all stay tuned. I also brought out my blue card. They did this parking lot over, but unfortunately the people didn't do it perfectly. I guess, I don't know, the school probably ain't paid good enough, but that ain't my business. I'm just here to do a quick test. Hopefully it's good enough to take at least to 132, just for me to get a couple passes in and see what it's doing. So y'all stay tuned and let's get it. All right, y'all, we're gonna make the first hit. See what it does. It's definitely hit. I got a little lag in there. I might have to, I got the, it's called the Castle B link, so I might be able to do some settings while I'm out here. If not, I would have had to take it back home. I need to change some settings in there. Alright guys, we're gonna do a couple hits. See how she does. Oh, blew the tire off that thing. Alright, we're gonna do some testing with my blue car, just to see what it does. Did do some changes, so I want to make sure it worked. We got a big 50 shootout coming up in Connecticut this weekend, so I'm trying to make it, and I want to make sure my cars are dialed in. Alright y'all, we back. I changed the tires out in the back. I put some reactions for now, because them Hoosiers ain't holding with this power, especially not taped or nothing. Show you how them reactions hook, especially on a good day. Let's see if we get another hit a little bit better. I know what that is. Alright y'all, let's get another hit in. Unfortunately, John's B-Link had a password. I'll try to hit him up to get it, because I need to shut off a few settings so I could stop that in and out. But if not, I'll wait till later, try to get a couple more test hits in before it rains. That was a pass right there. Alright guys, just was nothing but a quick test hit. Just want to make sure the car was dialed in. Get one more hit in before I know it's gonna get hot. Hopefully I could get it in for one more run after I find out the B-link. But car rolling good. He got to get a new body. I think he messed up his body. And the blue car, I forgot what I did with it, but I can't run it, so I'm gonna have to come back out and probably get a test. Oh, I stripped the spur gear. I didn't mesh it good, so that was on me changing opinion the last minute. But so far, this car is going good. I like the way it's taking off. All right, y'all, this is the last hit. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap. She doing good. She doing what I wanted to do. All right, I might get it back out if I could look at the Willy ball wheels spinning. You know they working. I'm gonna probably try to get it back out if I can get the settings. If not, I'll go home and put it on my computer and do it. All right, guys, stay tuned. I gotta go look for one of those Proline tops. All right, guys. All right, y'all, we back. I did the changes. I had to take it home since I didn't know the B-Link password. He ended up telling me as I was going home. So I just wanted to come out and do some tests, a little bit more test hits before I actually give it back to him. I think he's on his way here now, so.
I appreciate you so much, Dre, for helping me out.
You ain't got.
I can't even say how much I appreciate
You don't got no worries, trust me.
You gotta get mine going. Yours.
Huh?
That's your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, go right back, right? And it comes back hard.
Off like a
It comes
bullet.
back fast.
Dre saves the day.
Yeah. JJ lost his girlfriend's wife.
Oh boy, Dre, we got some maintenance going on over here. That thing is moving some mail down the track. I couldn't turn it.
It would work. You got power now, yeah.
Now the motor's working what it should be doing. Now it's going.
And now you can turn it up with the remote, right?
Yeah, right now it's like turn.
You got it all tuned up on the back tires the whole way now. Oh my God! He's got a. Oh my God!
He sounds so pissed.
I feel like King Kong right now. King Kong ain't got shit on me.
I'm happy for him, but now he's not gonna stop saying it's gonna be.
There you go.
Oh my God, that thing is like, we're running in the low twos right now.
Yeah, got my boy right.
Week. You made my year.
That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. I'm glad I can help.
We gotta stick together.
Yes,
Do I owe you any other things?
You don't owe me nothing.
Anything?
No, you don't owe me nothing.
Are you sure? 100%?
I'm positive. I'm positive. You don't owe me nothing. That was from me to you. Me to you.
I don't want to ever think like I.
Take one more hit. I want to see it again. We got you on camera getting a hit. Get a good hit in there.
Let's
get
a
nice
little,
hitter. Yeah.
Nice little burnout on the. This is on Dre's tune-up here. We're gonna do a nice little hit. Straight as an arrow.
Yeah, shout out to my boy John, man. I'm glad he's happy. That's what it's all about. His car is going nice and good right now. Y'all better watch out for him now. Watch out, he coming for y'all.
Coming for you. See, that's so nice when it goes straight. And it goes straight.
Like it doesn't.
And I got a new body.
Out as hard as it could, but I'll tell you after.
Yeah, see that?
It's fast, dude. That guy.
Found his spot.
See, that kind of left bottom.
Yeah.
I mean, you spun, but it was grabbing.
Consistent, A to B.
It was
A to
grabbing.
B, A to B.
On this bumpy ass road. Imagine if we had a cash days here. How much people could get down this road?
So, Sunday we're going to Connecticut.
Yes, it's official.
It's a good name. That one bump, man, that's what makes you stop slapping.
But it's all good because you gotta be a tuner like that. That's turned up right there.
That's how you hit a bump.
That's turned up.
The bump.
Yeah. But you see it spin though, because I turned that sucker up just to see if it would take it. Dynamics on that is crazy.
Yep.
Spun again.